In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your asset allocation in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money lets you track your investment portfolio and see how your assets are distributed across stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, and more. This helps you understand where your money is going and how balanced your portfolio is. To view this, go to the Investments tab from the sidebar on desktop. Here, you will see a line graph showing your asset allocation by holding type, along with your total portfolio value and top movers. For a more detailed breakdown, go to Reports, then select Cash Flow. This section shows your allocation, performance trends, and asset class distribution like large cap or international. You can hover over the chart to see exact percentages. You can also add the investments widget to your dashboard using the Customize option for a quick overview anytime. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.